Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Rosegirls haul. It's the mini melters. I just grabbed a few things that I couldn't find from other vendors, like some of the potion pack scents, or not that I wouldn't order it from Rosegirls anyway, but there was just like a few scents that I couldn't find anywhere else that were just like basic scents. So I went ahead and ordered from Rosegirls. So the first one is lemonade. I finished up a potion pack of lemonade from obviously Super Tarts, and she doesn't keep it on the site, or she didn't have it, so I saw that Rosegirls had it and I went ahead and got it. This is a great blender for a lot of things, and I like to have it on hand. Yeah, and that's just your basic lemonade. Like, there's nothing really super unique to say about it right now. I will tell you, when I opened this bag, this one is like the first thing that I smelled right off the bat. I grabbed Fizzy Pops, because I just don't think you can have too many Fizzy Pop scents. Fizzy Pops is also another great blender scent to put in if like something isn't working for you. Mix it with Fizzy Pop, especially if it's like fruity. And this one, as soon as I got the bag, I could like literally smell this. Even in the closed bag, I could smell it through the padded flat rate envelope. I grabbed another bag of Absolute Coffee. I like having coffees on hand just to blend with other things. I really like Absolute Coffee. It's got a little bit of a sweetness to it, just a little bit. Just a little tinge of sweetness. I really like it. There's that. And then I did grab another Monster Cookie Fluff Puffs. I can't remember if this is getting rotated out or if this is part of the... No, actually, I think this is part of her main selection right now. I don't think it's a limited edition. I ordered my limited edition in the last Rosegirls haul that I did. So if you're interested in the limited edition ones, I have one like a couple videos back. This just smells amazing to me. You know, this would be really good with a coffee scent. Mixed with that coffee. This is good. I really like her Monster Cookie scent. I think that's probably one of my favorite cookie scents. And the last one I got is Raspberry Sauce. I kept holding off on buying this one because I just didn't know. What I want to do is I want to try to recreate Gryffindor from Super Tarts. I know that sounds terrible. I keep talking about Super Tarts. This is a Rosegirls haul. Get it together. But anyways, so that's a lemon cheesecake with like raspberry glaze on top. So I wanted to take like a lemon, a cheesecake, and this raspberry sauce and try to make my own Gryffindor. Because Gryffindor was like a super big disappointment. Hey, buddy. So also there's a few blends. I think raspberry sauce and Zen, and yeah, there's a few things with raspberry sauce that I wanted to try some blends. So that's raspberry sauce. Let's have a whiff. That smells pretty good. I'm going to be doing like a short worm reviews next, and I'll talk about raspberry in there for a minute, but basically, I got another raspberry scent from Scoopable Tart Wax, and it was really artificial. But it wasn't raspberry sauce. It was something, it was like raspberry jam or something. It was, yeah, it was not sitting well with me. So anyways, that's just my super small Rosegirls mini melters. Like, I need more mini melters. Like, I need a hole in the head. But like I said, at the time, I kept having these, like, blends that like I wanted to do, but I was missing like a few things in between. So like lemonade, Fizzy Pops, and then the rest were just like add-ons, you know, like if I'm going in for an order, I might as well order a couple more of these. So yeah, Rosegirls tends to last a while anyways, so you don't have to really worry about it going bad at any point. So all right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.